أتاك حديث الغاشية وجوه يومئذ خاشعة عاملة ناصبة تصلى نارا حامية تسقى من عين آنية ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع وجوه يومئذ ناعمة لسعيها راضية في جنة عالية لا تسمع فيها لاغية فيها عين جارية فيها سور مرفوعة وأكواب موضوعة ونمارق مصفوفة وزرابي مبثوثة أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت وإلى السماء كيف رفعت وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت فذكر إنما أنت مذكر لست عليهم بمسيطر إلا من تولى وكفر فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر إن إلينا إيابهم ثم إن علينا حسابهم. صدق الله العظيم.
I don't know if I'll be able to finish all these tasks. And I have 4 tests this week. I don't know if I'll be able to study. What if I don't pass? Take a deep breath. You don't need to stress. Take everything step by step. Let's set up a study schedule so that you have time to study properly for each test. Thanks, Mom. That sounds good. You should exercise to help relieve your stress. Eating healthy food and sleeping on time will also help you to manage your stress. Thanks, bro. I will try that. Will you go for a walk with me? Sure, we can leave in 10 minutes.
What can you do to manage your stress? When you feel stressed, you can do the following to help you manage it. Go to bed early to get a good night's rest. Being tired always makes you more stressed and anxious. Eat a healthy diet with lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. And drink lots of water every day. Limit the amount of junk food you eat. Get enough exercise every week. If you don't like being very active, start with walking. Set up a schedule to plan your study time. Then you'll have enough time to finish all your studies. If something is worrying you, share it with an adult that you can trust, such as your mom, your dad, or teacher. Often adults have great advice to help you cope with stress.
Good morning, everyone! Happy month of reading! Can you say happy month of reading? And today it's the book character day. Can you guess who am I today? Pocahontas. How did you know? Because you've read my book. I brought my book with me. Can you show me your book as well? Beautiful. Look at you. Wonderful costumes, wonderful dresses. Well, boys and girls, are you ready for today's presentation? I didn't hear you. Are you ready for today's presentation? All right, so I'd like to request everyone to calm down, sit back and relax and enjoy our show. Why did I choose Pocahontas? Pocahontas loves planting. She loves the nature. She loves the animals. She loves the people. She loves the plain. She loves the river. She loves every creature in this world. And she's always looking after them. And the story goes like this. Pocahontas, the voice of the wind. A soft breeze tickled the new green leaves. and white and yellow crocuses bloomed in the meadows. Spring had come at last. Every hand in the village was set to planting. From morning until late afternoon, Pocahontas planted seeds in the dark soils. As always, Fleet the hummingbird and Nico the raccoon stayed close to their pretty young friend. At the end of one long corn row, Pocahontas sighed. She enjoyed planting, but the spring breeze stirred a sweet restlessness in her heart. She saw the people trying to capture the forests, trying to kill the animals and the rivers, throwing away garbage, and she became the voice of the nature.